Cistern Bomb super purifies and cleans your cistern tank powered by HOCl. World Health Organization (HOCl) has emerged in the current pandemic as the most potent and environmentally safe purifier available. We formulate a hyperpower crystal using HOCl in our prepared formula. Google HOCl World Super Purifies to confirm this fact. Get the value size 500 gram package. 500 gram value size does 25,000 gallons or multiple cleanings for smaller tanks. The solution's HOCl Cistern Bomb is the superior method to super purify water in your cistern tank. 100 grams will purify the water in your 5,000 gallon tank in just the amount according to the size of tank. Solution's HOCl Cleaner. The tank must have a cover or top fully covering your tank. The amount of cistern cleaner is based on the size of your tank and assumed your tank is full. Government agencies and universities recommend that you use bleach, and most people do not like the idea of adding bleach to their drinking water. Solution's HOCl Cistern Bomb Cistern Cleaner is formulated using HOCl to make the hypo-power crystals. This is the active ingredient in our Cistern Bomb. Solution's HOCl Cistern Cleaner uses HOCl as the active ingredient, and HOCl is 103 times more effective than bleach. Google HOCl versus bleach to confirm this fact. The goal is to super purifies your drinking and household water, and to also clean out mold, mildew, odors and stains, plus you wanted to neutralize and to remove anything not wanted in your water cistern tank. Solution's HOCl Cistern Cleaner is easy to use and an eco-friendly bleach alternative. Visit solutionshocl.com to learn more.